Starting a car wash business in Kenya is one of the most practical ways to earn a steady income using simple skills and available resources. Many people across towns and cities now own vehicles, and these vehicles need regular cleaning because of dust, mud, rain, and daily use. This creates a strong and continuous demand for car wash services. If you approach this business with the right mindset, planning, and consistency, it can grow from a small roadside setup into a well-known and profitable enterprise. To begin with, you need to understand why this business works well in Kenya. Roads in many areas are dusty, especially during dry seasons, and muddy during rainy seasons. This means cars get dirty quickly and require frequent cleaning. At the same time, many car owners are busy with work or business and do not have the time or space to wash their cars at home. This makes them depend on car wash businesses. Because of this, you are not just starting a business, you are solving a daily problem for many people. When thinking about starting, the first important step is choosing a good location. A car wash business depends heavily on visibility and accessibility. A place near a busy road, a residential estate, a shopping center, or an office area is ideal. When cars pass by often, people are more likely to stop and get their vehicles cleaned. Also, a location near a petrol station or parking area can bring additional customers. You should also ensure the area has enough space for cars to enter, be washed, and leave without congestion. Good drainage is also very important so that water does not collect and create a mess. Water is the main resource in a car wash business. You must have a reliable water source before you start. This can be a direct water connection or a large storage tank. Many successful operators invest in tanks to store water in advance, especially because water supply can sometimes be unreliable. Having enough water ensures you do not lose customers due to shortages. Once you have a location and water, the next step is understanding the cost of starting. One of the good things about this business is that you can start small and grow over time. A simple setup can begin with about 50,000 Kenyan shillings to 150,000 Kenyan shillings. This can cover basic equipment such as a pressure washer, buckets, detergents, brushes, and a water tank. If you want to start at a higher level, you can invest between 200,000 Kenyan shillings and 500,000 Kenyan shillings. This allows you to buy better machines, build a shade, and serve more customers at once. For those aiming for a large and modern car wash, the investment can go beyond 1 million Kenyan shillings. The equipment you choose will affect your efficiency and the quality of your service. A pressure washer is one of the most important tools because it helps remove dirt quickly and effectively. A vacuum cleaner is also important for cleaning the interior of vehicles. Customers appreciate a clean interior as much as a clean exterior. You will also need good quality detergents, microfiber cloths, and brushes that do not scratch the car surface. Over time, you can add more equipment such as polishing machines and water recycling systems to improve your service and reduce costs. Another important step is getting the necessary licenses. In Kenya, you need a business permit from your county government. This is usually called a single business permit. Depending on your location and setup, you may also need approval related to environmental management, especially for wastewater disposal. Following the law helps you avoid fines and gives your business credibility. After setting up, you may need to hire 1 or 2 workers, especially if you expect many customers. When hiring, look for people who are hardworking, honest, and willing to learn. You do not need highly educated workers, but you need people who understand the importance of good service. Training your staff is very important. Teach them how to clean vehicles properly, how to handle equipment, and how to treat customers with respect. A polite and friendly worker can turn a one-time customer into a regular client. Pricing your services correctly is also key. In many parts of Kenya, washing a small car can cost between 200 Kenyan shillings and 400 Kenyan shillings. Larger vehicles such as sports utility vehicles can cost between 300 Kenyan shillings and 600 Kenyan shillings. Additional services like interior cleaning or engine cleaning can bring in extra income. You should set prices that are competitive but also allow you to make a profit. Offering packages or discounts can attract more customers and encourage repeat visits. Marketing your business does not have to be complicated or expensive. Start with simple methods such as clear signage that people can see from a distance. A well-designed sign can attract many customers. You can also use social media platforms to promote your business. Posting pictures and videos of clean cars can help you reach more people. Listing your business on online maps can make it easier for customers to find you. Word of mouth is also very powerful. When you provide good service, Satisfied customers will tell others about your business. As your business grows, you should think about improving and expanding your services. You can introduce car detailing, polishing, or even mobile car wash services, where you go to the customer instead of the customer coming to you. This can open new opportunities and increase your income. You can also create a comfortable waiting area for customers with seats and shade. This improves their experience and makes them more likely to return. Running a car wash business also comes with challenges. Water shortages can interrupt your operations, so having storage is important. Competition from other car washes can reduce your customer base, so you must focus on quality and customer satisfaction. Weather can also affect business, especially during rainy seasons when fewer people want to wash their cars. However, you can adapt by offering covered washing areas or additional services. Managing money properly is very important. You should keep track of your daily income and expenses. This helps you understand whether your business is making a profit. Avoid using all your income for personal expenses. Instead, reinvest some of it into the business to buy better equipment or expand your services. Discipline in financial management can determine whether your business grows or fails. Customer service is one of the biggest factors in success. Always treat customers with respect and ensure their vehicles are handled carefully. Delivering consistent quality builds trust. When customers trust you, they will return again and again. They may even bring their friends and family. In the long run, consistency is what will keep your business alive. Even on days when business is slow, you should remain committed and maintain your standards. Success does not happen overnight, but with patience and hard work, your business can grow steadily. A car wash business in Kenya is more than just cleaning cars. It is about providing convenience, saving time for customers, and building a reliable service. With proper planning, dedication, and a focus on quality, you can turn a small startup into a successful and sustainable business. The journey may have challenges, but the opportunity is real and achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort.